So this is the content of the E3D Titan extruder packet, and we have the housing for the gear, and we have the lid, and we have the gear, the extruder gear, which goes here. If you want me to do assembly video, let me know. I'll do that. Tell me in the comments below. And we have the what do you call it? The idler, which pushes on the filament, pushes the filament onto the gear. And we have tools. We have fasteners. We have the spring. Everything you need. And there's additional, this is optional, or the tube clamp, whatever, I don't know what it's called. And then we have the also the 3 millimeter and the 1.75 millimeter tubes, which goes inside here. Also the gear which goes onto the motor. This is the motor gear. And we have a thumb screw. Thumb screw is nice for adjusting the tension on the idler. So, do you want to see an assembly video? Let me know in the comments below. That's the E3D Titan extruder content.